Good day, everyone. My name is Victor, the lead facilitator of the ROX Data Analytics Hub. So today we'll be looking at how to use Flashfill to join text together in Excel. In the last video, we looked at how to use a function text join to join text together. So today we'll be looking at how we can use Flashfill to join text together. But please take note, this Flashfill operates with versions of Excel starting from 2016, 2019, and above. All right, so if you are using less than, let's say, 2016 version of Excel, it may not work. All right, having said that, let's see how it works. So we want to join these two names together, the first name and the last name. We want to join them together using Flashfill. So Flashfill is neither a function nor a shortcut. So it's more or less like a formula, you can put it that way, or a shortcut. Okay, but it's not a function. It's not a function. Please take note. So the way Flashfill operates is that you give the first example the way you want it, you press enter, and then you press Control E. You press Control E. Control E is the shortcut for Flashfill. Control plus E. Control plus E. E for egg is the shortcuts for Flashfill. All right, Flashfill. Okay, I hope that is taken. So let's see how it operates. So under the full name, I give the first example. So I want Bullock Craig. So I'll type it, Bullock. So make sure your spelling is correct. That's the clause. So I've typed the first name together. I press enter and then I press Control E. You can see it will automatically help me to join all the names together. So you might be wondering, how do I know the shortcut for Flashfill? So in Excel, as far as you can take your time to read, you will always have your screen tips or your shortcuts. So if you go to your data tab, under your data tools group, you will see Flashfill button at the top in the middle. You see this button here, Flashfill, and then you see the shortcut Control E. Control E. If you go ahead and read what the function does, it says to automatically fill in values, enter a couple of examples you want as output, and keep the active cell in the column you want filled in. So sometimes what this one implies is that sometimes you might need to give more than one example for Flashfill to know what you really want to do. But maximum 3 examples. That's why you see enter a couple of examples. So sometimes you might need to give more than one. So maybe in our next one of our next tutorials, I will show you where it might require us to give more than one example for Flashfill. Before then, stay tuned. See you next time.